Welcome to my channel. My Wi-Fi finally works everywhere. TP-Link WA850RE N300. 1. Spot the dead zone. Show the viewers the specific corner of your house where the Wi-Fi signal fails. 2. Plug it in close. Connect the extender to a power socket right next to your main router for the initial setup. 3. Wait for power. Wait about 15 seconds until the power LED light turns solid. 4. Press router WPS. Push the WPS button on your main internet router, usually marked with 2 arrows. 5. Press extender button. Immediately press the large lock button on the front of the TP-Link extender. 6. Confirm pairing. Wait for the RE light to stop blinking and turn solid to confirm the connection. 7. Relocate the device. Unplug the extender and move it to a spot halfway between your router and the dead zone. 8. Check signal strength. Plug it in and ensure at least 3 LEDs on the signal ring are lit up for good performance. 9. Connect your phone. Connect your phone to the extended network using your existing Wi-Fi password. 10. Final speed test. Run a speed test or play a video in the previous dead zone to prove it works. Thanks for watching.